Welcome! If you've noticed that your Roblox app on PC feels a bit less lively or the animations seem toned down, it's likely because the reduce motion feature is enabled. This setting is designed to minimize certain visual effects and transitions, which can be helpful for some. But if you prefer a more dynamic experience, you'll want to turn it off. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable reduce motion on the Roblox app with the latest update. First, make sure your Roblox app is open on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the left side of the window. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More, which is represented by 3 dots. This will expand a menu with additional options. Next, from this expanded menu, select Settings. Clicking here will take you to the main settings page, where you can adjust a variety of options to tailor your Roblox experience. Now look for the section called Device Preferences. Go ahead and click into it. This is where Roblox stores some of its accessibility and device-specific features, including the reduce motion setting. Inside Device Preferences, you'll see a toggle labeled Reduce Motion. If the switch is turned on, Roblox will continue to minimize animations and effects. To bring back the full visual experience, simply click the toggle to turn Reduce Motion off. That's it. Your changes will be saved automatically, and you can now enjoy Roblox with all the original animations and transitions restored. This can make your gameplay feel more immersive and visually engaging. If you ever want to re-enable reduce motion for accessibility reasons, just follow these same steps and toggle it back on. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your enhanced Roblox experience.